In this video, we'll see together when to use the tenses in French and more precisely le présent du subjonctif. And so le présent du subjonctif, the main point that we need to make clear is that the subjunctive was originally a matter of meaning and not a universal concept. So it's not like the present, the past, or the future, because this is the key point, and that's the reason why it is quite tricky to learn, because in some cases people don't have this subjunctive in their language. We find the subjunctive after the majority of verbs that express the will, the desire, the wish. We find the subjunctive after the majority of verbs that express the obligation, the necessity. So now let's have a look at the examples. Je ne veux pas que tu fasses d'erreur. So in that situation, you can see that here, tu fasses is the subjunctive form of the verb faire. So it's extremely important to make sure that you will master the subjunctive. So you need to watch my videos covering the construction of the subjunctive, because for the regular verbs, it's not really tricky. For the third group of verbs, it can be a bit tricky. So you really need to take the time to make sure that you know how to make it. So in that situation, tu fasses d'erreur, this is the subjonctif. Je veux que tu viennes. So in that situation, as you can see, the verb vouloir, je veux que, well, that will express the will, as we saw, the desire, the wish. So in that situation, you will have to put after the que, your verb will be in the subjunctive. This is the verb venir, tu viennes. Je veux que tu viennes. Il faut que je sois sérieux. Remember, majority of verbs that express the obligation, the necessity. Il faut que je sois sérieux. In that case, je sois, it's the verb être. Je sois sérieux. Je ne veux pas que tu fasses d'erreur. Je veux que tu viennes. Il faut que je sois sérieux. We find the subjunctive after the majority of verbs that express the possibility, the impossibility, the probability. We find the subjunctive after the majority of verbs that express the doubt, the uncertainty, the hypothesis. We find the subjunctive after the majority of verbs that express the emotions, feelings, appreciation, and fear. So let's see the examples. Il est possible que je sois en retard au travail. As you can see, in that case, we are talking about the probability. So possibility, impossibility, probability, you will construct it with the subjunctive. Je sois, it's the verb être. Je sois en retard au travail. Il est possible que je sois en retard au travail. Je ne crois pas que tu puisses le faire. In that case, je ne crois pas, I mean, clearly you express the doubt. Je ne crois pas que tu puisses. So this is the verb pouvoir. So you can see that it does change quite much in the subjunctive. So tu puisses. Je ne crois pas que tu puisses le faire. J'adore qu'elle puisse voyager avec moi. So j'adore, in that case, of course, you express your appreciation. In that case, so remember the emotions, the feeling, appreciation and fear. J'adore qu'elle puisse. So one more time, it's the verb pouvoir, hein, qu'elle puisse voyager avec moi. Alors, il est possible que je sois en retard au travail. Je ne crois pas que tu puisses le faire. J'adore qu'elle puisse voyager avec moi. It is also found after most of the adjectival phrases like être with an adjective with que that will express the subjectivity. We'll see that. And then the subjunctive is used as the main verb in sentence beginning with que with a value of order. We'll see the example too. And last but not least, the subjunctive not preceded by que expresses consecrated expressions. Alors, il est important que tu sois bien habillé. So as you can see, in that case, we use the structure il est, then we put the adjective important, que, and then it will go with the subjunctive. So this is the verb être, tu sois. Il est important que tu sois bien habillé. Que personne ne bouge. So as we saw, we start with the que here, and then the verb will be in the présent du subjonctif. Que personne ne bouge. And the last one, of course, I had to finish with that. Vive la France! So in that case, as we express here, we don't use the que, but then it's what we could call this consecrated expression, Vive la France! Allez, il est important que tu sois bien habillé, que personne ne bouge, Vive la France! So in all these cases, you will have to use le présent du subjonctif.